Chef's Choice Model 130 Electric Knife Sharpener. This electric sharpener uses proprietary diamond abrasives to create a sharp edge with a micro-serrated finish or a polished finish based on the cutting task. We will demonstrate how to sharpen a 20-degree knife. Pull the blade through each side of guide number 1 slowly and smoothly, alternating each side about 3 to 4 times. This first stage is for sharpening. Carefully feel for a burr. For a micro-serrated finish, draw the knife about 3 to 4 times through the second manual steeling stage. Or for a polished finish, pull the blade through the last slot about 3 to 4 times, which will polish and finish the edge. This stage can also be used for serrated knives. Model 130 for customized sharpening and effortless cutting.